guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to recover deleted Snapchat memories. So let's get started. So if you want to recover your deleted Snapchat memories, so to do that what you have to do is just simply open up your Snapchat application. After opening up your Snapchat application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the top left. After tapping on your profile icon, just simply tap on the gear icon which is on the top right and scroll down. After scrolling down, you will find this memories option. Just tap on it and just make sure that this box is checked. So if it's not, then just simply check it. And now what you have to do is just come back and then scroll all the way down. After scrolling all the way down, you will find my data option. Just simply tap on my data, and from here you can download your deleted memories. So your data will be stored over here. From here you can just easily download your memories. So what you have to do is just simply scroll down and uncheck all the following options except your memories. So you will find the memories option over here. You just have to check it, and the other following options should be unchecked. After doing that, just tap on next and then select the date range. So if you want to download the memories from last month, last year, or last week, you can just simply choose one. I'll just simply tap on all time, and after doing that, now you just have to enter a confirmation email. After adding that email, just tap on submit, and now you will receive a mail from Snapchat that your data has been successfully created and you can download it. So just scroll down and you should receive a mail from Snapchat team that Snapchat data is ready to download. So what you have to do is just simply come back and then tap on my data. After tapping on my data, now you can just simply download it from here. Now in the top you will find see exports option. Just tap on see exports and then tap on download. After tapping on download, you can download your data. So if you can't download your data from here, then what you can do is just simply open up your email. After opening up your email, now you just have to select the email address that you have received a mail in. So after opening it, now you just have to open it, and after opening that mail, you just have to tap on check here. You just have to tap on click here, and after tapping on click here, now you can easily download your data from here. But now in order to download your data, you just have to enter your username and password. After entering the username and password, you can easily download the data. So that's it guys. This is how to recover deleted Snapchat memories. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.